In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage inventory on Squarespace. If you're selling products through your Squarespace site, keeping your inventory updated is really important. It helps you avoid overselling, keeps your storefront accurate, and makes sure customers only see items that are actually available. The good news is that Squarespace makes this process pretty simple once you know where to look. To get started, log into your Squarespace account and go to your main dashboard. From the menu on the left-hand side, click on Products and Services and then select Products. This is the section where all of your store items are listed, so it's the main place you'll use to review and manage what you're selling. Once you're in the Products area, you'll see your products displayed there. Take a moment to locate the item you want to update. Depending on how many products you have in your store, it may help to scan the list carefully so you're editing the correct one. This is especially useful if you sell similar products or multiple variations of the same item. From here, you have a couple of ways to manage inventory. In some cases, you can manually edit the inventory directly from the product listing, which is the fastest option if you just need to make a quick stock adjustment. This is helpful if you've recently sold an item elsewhere, received new stock, or simply need to correct the quantity. If you want to open the full product settings instead, click the three-dot icon on the product. That will give you more options for editing. After that, choose to edit the product, then go to the inventory section. In this area, you can change the stock level for that item. Enter the updated quantity you want Squarespace to track, and make sure the number reflects what you actually have available for sale. As a general tip, it's a good idea to review your inventory regularly so your online store stays accurate. Even small updates can make a big difference in keeping your shop organized and improving the customer experience. Once you've updated the stock, that's it. Your inventory has been adjusted and your product information is now up to date. And there you go. That's all you need to do to manage inventory on Squarespace.